y'all. I think I'm starting to bleed. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, and if you're new here, if you're a subscriber, hey. So today, as you can see, I'm about to get ready. I got a little eggplant appointment coming up. So, I'm getting dressed. So I decided instead of getting waxed at a studio, I'm gonna try to do it here. So this is my first time attempting this. I didn't want to show up to him as a woolly mammoth, so this is what we finna do, and I get to save a couple bucks, so why not? So today, I'm doing at-home waxing. So I have where'd I put that box? Do you like seeing my face? Why don't you hit that subscribe button so you can see more? So the waxing kit that I'm using is called Nates? Don't know. I picked this up at CVS. This is the first thing I saw. Never tried this, never heard of this. So it says it's a sugar wax. It's no heat, natural way for silky, smooth, hair-free skin. We'll see about that. It says it quickly removes unwanted hair by the root for smooth results for longer. So I'm gonna go ahead and test this out on my armpits. Here are my pits. As you can see, here. So while I'm opening this box, it says it comes with 10 reusable cotton strips, 7 wooden applicators, 1 Nads Natural Sugar Wax, and Naturally Deriza Pre-Wax Cleansing Soap. Okay, cool. So let's bring everything out. Wait, this whole kit was $12, $12.99. So if this works out, I'm gonna put y'all on. But thank God for directions. You start waxing. Thoroughly clean the area to be treated using Nads Pre-Wax Cleansing Soap. Ensure oils, makeup, moisturizers are removed, and then wipe skin completely dry. So here is the soap right here. So let me get to wash. Smells like, you know those natural soaps you find at like your grandmama's house? This is what it smells like. Yeah, so let me get to washing my pit. Hey, we are a part of the Rhythm Nation. Okay, so we're wiping dry. Make sure my pits are nice and ashy. Okay, step 2, apply Nads Sugar Wax. Slowly apply a thin layer of wax in the direction of the hair growth. Oh boy. Hair should be at least European measurements long on some parts of your body. For example, the back or underarms. Hair can grow in different directions. Always assess carefully before applying the wax. Please refer to the treatment area section for specific information about different areas of the body. Oh, they're so nice. They give you like instructions of like exactly what directions the hair grow in each part of the body. So yay. For the upper underarm, you apply towards the elbow, and the lower underarm you apply down towards the rib. Alright, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, here is the wax. They said if it is too cold, I can heat it up in a microwave. So let's see what it looks like. You have a little. I don't know if that's too cold or. Oh yeah, it's cold. Hold on. Let me go heat this up. Hold on. thinks my wax is hot. It don't feel hot, but it's been sitting in warm water, so I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some with my stick. I'm gonna do that twirly thingy that I see all the esthetician girls be doing. And I'm gonna put it down here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Now we play the waiting game. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna pull it. Oh my god, I'm gonna pull it. Oh my god, wait. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Alright, I'm gonna do it. Oh my god. 1, 2, 2.5, 2.5. Ah! Oh, we got some babies. Ew, I know they got some babies, but I didn't get all of it. Hold on. Oh, I know what I'm doing wrong. I'm not pulling it in the right direction. So, alright. It's supposed to go up, not down. Woo! Ooh, chilly. Alright. Alright, you ready? Ooh. But if I pull it out, won't that be more painful? That's the point? Oh, well. 1, like 2. Ah! Y'all, it wasn't even that bad. Like, now I got more hair. Oh. Oh, this is hilarious. I think this works. I think you like need practice or something. You just need to like practice and get better. I've heard of that technique. Don't really know anything about that, but yeah, oh my god. Oh my god. Minute, y'all minute. I didn't grab anything. See, if you see, I know I'm all up in y'all business, but if you see, I got like this section over here. Girl, you can tell my body is Haitian. It is stubborn. These hairs need to come out. So, what's going on? What's up with you? Wait. Y'all, I almost pissed my pants. That was so painful. This is, even though this is cheaper, this is more torturous because the lady, she be getting everything like three strips. This is like my 5th pull. Goddamn. Ooh, y'all, I think I'm starting to bleed. I'm not gonna show y'all. That's gross. Yeah, you're supposed to hold Skid Top with one hand. Yeah, that's a lot. Okay. Girl, it's not working. Hold on. So, my poor armpit is crying, so I'm gonna stop here. But, based on what I've been doing, like, this will be cute if you, like, have patience and, like, we're willing to learn. But, if you know me, I have none of that. None of that at all. So, yeah, I'm just gonna go shave in the shower. But hey, if you guys want to try it, feel free to let me know how it goes for you. If this is something you do often, let me know if you have any tips for the girls. And I will see y'all next week. Bye.